Hi guys, welcome back to the Big Blue House. In this video, I'm going to be doing a travel essentials from Dollar Tree video, so stay tuned. As we head into the travel season, I think it's good to have some things on hand and so you don't have to buy small versions of items at big box stores. Let's get started with the first item, which is facial wipes and regular wipes. So like the first one I mentioned, it doesn't necessarily have to be this brand, but it is good, and it's good to just refresh when you're on the plane or if you're in the car for a really long time. The baby wipes are unscented and they're alcohol free, and they're great for just wiping your hands, wiping something that spilled, or if something gets sticky. Like, there's so many uses for them and they're a great carry. This cotton set is great, small and compact, and it's already organized and filled, so it has all the cotton swabs as well as cotton pads for makeup remover and things like that. I've used it to travel already, and I've also used it when we have guests over to put it in the guest room. Dollar Tree also has these small bottles where you can decant your products. This is a set of 2, but I also found a set of 3. I know the set of 2 is cute, but for practicality and for more bang for your buck, the 3 set is better. They also have an assortment of beauty blender holders. I feel like beauty blenders get really dirty when you just toss them into your makeup bag. This is a great way to keep them a little more sanitized. And how cute was the little coffee one? That's the one I got. You can also pick up this 2-pack of lint rollers. Yes, Dollar Tree has a single version that's much bigger. However, again, because you're traveling, you want smaller compact items, this is a better solution. The oral care section at Dollar Tree I think is great for traveling. They have so many individual or small size packages, whether it's floss picks, extra toothbrushes where you don't want to actually carry your own when you're going to a hotel or a different place, and also they have travel size toothpaste. I didn't see a good brand at the moment when I walked in, but sometimes you'll find small tubes of Sensodyne or small tubes of Crest and things like that. I also really love these cosmetic pouches from the dollar store, and basically, yes, you can use them for the intended purpose, but I like to use them to organize my bag. So I'll keep passports and things like that in one, and then I can keep stationery in the next, and just better organize my bag. There you have it, some of my favorite Dollar Tree travel essentials. Let me know in the comments below what are some things that you like to travel with from the Dollar Tree. Until next time, safe travels.